Jai Gurudev children, how are you all? I hope you all have done your assessments well. Good. Did you all get the message to keep 2 bowls and few beads or rajma seeds ready for today's activity? Yes? If anybody is not ready, pause the video, quickly go get 2 bowls and 15 seeds or beads if you have. So children, ready for the activity? Shall we start? Now we have 15 beads, isn't it? I'll give you a number. You're going to take away so many beads or the seeds which you have with you and put it in the other bowl. Okay? So we have 15 beads. Let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you all do it? Now count how many are left and tell me children. Let's do it together. Count how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many all do you have? Do you all have same 11 beads? Yes? Good. So we had 15 beads. We took away 4 beads. So we have 11 left with us. Isn't it? Now let's take away these 4 beads. Okay. We don't need them now. You can place it next to the bowl. We'll just go for another example. Now we are left with 11 beads. Isn't it? Now here let's take away 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. Did you all do it? Now count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 beads left in my bowl. Do you all also have the same? 8 beads in your bowl? Very good. So there were 11 beads. We took away 3 and there are 8 beads left in the bowl. Did you all do the activity, children? What did we do just now, children? Correct. We did subtraction. When you take away a number from another number is called as subtraction. You all remember it, right? We had learned single digit subtraction, right? So now quickly show me what is the symbol for subtraction. Show me. Yes, minus. That is the symbol for subtraction. Now let's revise the same before we start doing our textbook exercises. Okay children? Children, let's revise the activity which we did just now. Here we have a bowl in which we have 15 beads. Okay, from here let's take away 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads. Now tell me children, when we do subtraction, do we count forwards or backwards? You're right. Whenever we do subtraction, we always have to count backwards. Now 15 and 4. Which is the bigger number here? Correct, it is 15. So keep 15 in your mind, 4 on your fingers and count backwards children. Before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now count the beads in the first bowl and see if there are 11 beads left. Yes, there are 11 beads in the bowl. So we can say 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So we did the subtraction by counting backwards. Children, let's take another example. Here we have 11 beads in a bowl. Now observe how many beads I am going to take away. Are you counting? Yes children, how many beads did I take away from the bowl? Correct, I took away 3 beads. Now first we had 11 beads, I took away 3 beads. So I want you to count backwards and tell me how many beads are left in the bowl. Did you tell me 8 beads? Shall we count how many beads are there in the bowl? In the first bowl? Yes, you are correct children. There are 8 beads left in the bowl. So 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Very good children. We did the subtraction by counting backwards. Children, take out your Bal Ganit book, turn to page number 68 and write today's date. The first 4 sums we have already done it when we were learning single digit subtraction, isn't it? We are left with only last 2 that we'll do now. Okay. We see 10 apples there. In that you have to take away 4. It's just like how we did with the beads activity now. Okay. There were 10 beads and we took away 4 beads. So how many would be there? Here you can strike 4 apples and tell me the answer. How many are left children? Correct, 6. Very good. Now we'll go to the last one. Count and tell me how many kites are there. Yes, there are 13 kites. Now in that I want you to take away 6. So you have to strike 6 kites and find out and tell me how many are left now. Very good. There are 7 kites left. Excellent children. Children, let's turn to page number 69 and let's solve these. First one is already done. We'll go to the next one. Here you have to subtract 7 from 8. So keep the bigger number in your mind, smaller number on your fingers, and you know whenever we do subtraction we always have to count. Yes, backwards. Very good. So how much is 8 minus 7 children? You're correct, it is 1. We'll go to the next one. Tell me how much is 9 minus 1? Yes, it is 8. How much is 7 minus 5? Correct, it is 2. How much is 8 minus 2? Yes, 6. How much is 7 minus 3? Correct, it is 4. 8 minus 5? Yes, it is 3. 7 minus 0? You all remember what is 0, right? 0 means nothing. So 7, we are not taking away anything. 7 minus 0 will be, yes, 7. 8 minus 6? Correct, it is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 2? Yes, it is 0. 8 minus 1? Correct, it is 7. 9 minus 5? It is 4. You all are doing now children. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 0 will be, yes, 5. 5 minus 5? Correct, it is 0. 9 minus 3? It is 6. Correct. 7 minus 7 will be, yes, 0. 6 minus 3 is, correct, it is 3. Did you all complete this page children? Let's turn to page number 70. Here you have in one column pictures given. Next it shows how much you have to take away or subtract. In the last column you have to write how much will be left after we do the subtraction. Okay, so let's start. First let's count how many apples are there. Correct, there are 7 apples. So we have 7 apples and we eat 3. So we have to find out how much is left. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 left to eat. This is how we are going to do in this page. Okay, let's go to the next one. Count and tell me how many flowers are there, children. You're correct, there are 8 flowers. Now in that we are going to give 5. Okay, so tell me how much is 8 minus 5. How many will be left with us? Correct, we are going to be left with 3. You can strike 5 flowers and find out the answer, children. You can even do like that. Okay, so dash left with what is the number we're going to write there? Correct, we'll write 3 because 3 flowers are left with us. We'll go to the next example. There we see 5 birds, right? 2 flew away. So tell me how much is 5 minus 2. You can strike 2 birds and let me know. Correct, there are 3 birds left. So 3 left. We'll go to the next one. We see cupcakes there. Count and tell me how many we see there. Yes, there are 10. And if you eat 4, strike 4 now and tell me how many are left. Yes, 10 minus 4 is 6. So dash left to eat. We'll write 6. Now there are some puzzle pieces. Count and tell me how many pieces are there. Did you count? You're correct, there are 12 puzzle pieces. In that 3 are lost. Okay, so strike 3. Now count and tell me how many will be left. Yes, 9. So 9 puzzle pieces are left. We'll go to the last one. You can see pencils there. Count and tell me how many are there. Yes, there are 6. In that you use 4. So how many will be left then? Correct, 2 will be left. Did you all complete? Let's turn to page number 75. Here we have to count backwards and do the subtraction. We did it in the activity, right? So let's do the same. Here the first one, you have to take away 2 from 17. So 17 minus 2 is 15. First one is done. We'll go to the second one. There you have to take away 4 from 25. So keep bigger number in your mind, that is 25. 4 on your fingers and let's count backwards. So before 25 it is 24, then 23, then 22 and 21. So we're going to write 21. Now we'll go to next one where you have to take away 4 from 14. So tell me children, what will be the answer? Do it on your own. Keep 14 in your mind, 4 on your fingers, count backwards and tell me. Yes, I hope all of you got the answer correct. 14 minus 4 will be 10. Very good. Now we'll go to the next one. Here you have to circle all the different ways to get the number on the right. At the end of the column you can see they have given you answers, and here there are sums you have to subtract, and if you get the same answer which it is given in the last, then you have to circle it. That is how we are going to do this. Okay, first one is done. We'll go to the next one. So we see
10 minus 5, 7 minus 2, 8 minus 1, 9 minus 4. In the last you see equal to 5. So we have to find out in this row which number when you subtract you're going to get answer as 5. Okay, so let's start. If we get it as 5, only then we are going to put a circle. So 10 minus 5, what's the answer, children? Yes, 5. So we have to circle that. How much is 7 minus 2? You're correct. It is 5. So let's circle this also. How much is 8 minus 1? It is 7. Is it equal to 5? No, right? We got the answer as 7. So we are not going to circle that. We'll go to the next one. How much is 9 minus 4? Yes, it is 5. So let's circle 5. In the same way, we'll go to the next one. Here, whenever we do the subtraction, we have to get the answer as 2. Then we are going to circle it. Okay. How much is 10 minus 1? Sorry, 10 minus 9. Yes, it is 1. So we are not going to circle that because we need the answer as 2. Now let's go to next one. How much is 8 minus 6? Yes, it is 2. So should we circle it? Yes, let's circle it. Let's go to the next one. 5 minus 3, which is 2. So let's circle it. Then the next one, 7 minus 5, which is also equal to 2. So let's circle that. We'll go to the next one. You understood, no, children? Those who want to try it on your own, pause the video, try it and then check the answer. Okay. 8 minus 4 is 4. So let's circle that. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we'll circle that also. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is not equal to 4 there. So we are not going to circle. Next, 5 minus 1 is 4. So we'll circle that. We'll go to the last one. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here we need the answer 7. So we'll circle the first one. Then 11 minus 9, which is 2. So we're not going to circle that. 10 minus 3 is also 7. Let's circle it. 13 minus 6 is also 7. So let's circle that also. Did you all complete, children? Now on page number 77, you have a puzzle here. Okay, we have learned to write the number names, isn't it? Here you have across. Across means you have to write one next to the other. Down means one below the other. Okay, first solve all the answers. 8 minus 4 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 12 minus 4 is 8. So first write the number and the number names also. Okay, then you see the number and write the number name in the puzzle. Okay, you'll all try it. We'll check for the answer in the next class. Okay, children?
Children, I want you to practice the same activity with different numbers. Okay, I hope you understood. Let's all meet in next class. Take care, children. Jai Gurudev.